How to clear system storage on Android phone, full guide 2026. Your Android is slow, full, and constantly showing storage warnings, and the system storage section is the biggest culprit that most people never touch. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you every method to clear it fast, safely, and without losing a single important file. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through the complete guide to clearing system storage on your Android phone in 2026. These steps were tested on Samsung Galaxy S25, Google Pixel 9, OnePlus 13, and Motorola Edge running Android 15, so they work across all major Android brands. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Check exactly what's eating your storage first. Go to Settings, then Storage. This shows you a full breakdown of exactly what is taking up space: apps, photos, videos, cached data, and system files. Tap any category to see details and free up space within it. Always start here before doing anything else so you know exactly where your biggest wins are. Step 2. Clear all app caches at once. Go to Settings, then Storage, then Apps. Clearing cache for your top 10 apps typically recovers 2 to 5 gigabytes of storage immediately without deleting any personal data, login info, or app settings. The app may load slightly slower the first time after clearing. That's completely normal and it rebuilds quickly. Step 3. Use Files by Google to clean junk files automatically. Open the Files by Google app on your Android device. Click the Clean button at the bottom left corner of your screen, tap Junk Files, click Clean, and confirm you want to clear temporary app files. Files by Google intelligently identifies duplicates, large unused files, and temporary junk that manual cache clearing misses entirely. Step 4. Enable Smart Storage for automatic management. Go to Settings, then Storage, then free up space, tap the menu icon, go to Settings inside there, and turn on Smart Storage. This automatically removes backed up photos and videos from your device when storage gets low, keeping your files safe in Google Photos while freeing up local space without you having to do anything manually. Step 5. Uninstall and archive unused apps. Go to Google Play Store, tap your profile, then Manage Apps and check Unused Apps. This shows every app you haven't opened recently. Your device can automatically archive apps you don't use often to free up space. When archived, the app icon stays on your device but the app data is removed. And you can reinstall it anytime from Google Play as long as it's still available. Step 6. Clear your Downloads folder. This is the most forgotten storage drain on every Android phone. Open your Files app, go to the Downloads folder, and delete everything you no longer need. Downloads accumulate silently over months: PDFs, APKs, images, documents, and most people have gigabytes of completely useless files sitting there taking up space. Step 7. Move photos and videos to cloud storage. Enable Google Photos Backup, confirm your entire library is safely backed up, then delete local copies from your device. This single step often recovers 10 to 30 gigabytes on a heavily used phone. It's the biggest single win on this entire list. Here's your pro tip: always aim to keep at least 10 to 15% of your total storage free at all times. Android needs that free space to function properly, for system updates, app updates, and temporary files. If storage drops below 10%, you will notice slowdowns and update failures even on a high-end phone. Set a monthly reminder to run through these steps, and your Android will stay fast and responsive all year long. And those are your complete steps for clearing system storage on Android in 2026. Checking your storage breakdown, clearing app caches, using Files by Google for junk cleanup, enabling smart storage, archiving unused apps, deleting your downloads folder, and moving media to the cloud. Work through all of these once, and you'll likely recover anywhere from 10 to 30 gigabytes instantly. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more Android tips every week. Drop a comment below: how much storage did you recover? See you in the next one.